cat tries to make its food to the bird, the cat's teeth and nails, which are released from the cat's grip, get wounds of the cat's teeth, and today the birds are treating the wounds of the cat. The cat's teeth are accompanied by the saliva of the cat, which can make the bird suffer from many diseases. To the doctor, for this the first task is to wear gloves in the hands. Holding the injured parrot comfortably inside the tray and examining its wound, the immunity power of the parrot is very low, so its ability to bear pain is very less. It is very important for the birds to be treated quickly. Put NS glucose on it and clean it well from the turn. There should be no dust at all. Any dirt can circle the village. It can also kill the bird. After cleaning the wound, putting the medicine of liquid iodine on the wound completely cleans the extra space of the wound. By applying iodine on the wound, cleans the wound, thus treating the parrot with a cat's thorns. Thank you.